Good night, good night, good night, good night to you, my people. Good night. Good night, good night, good night. The time will come up, you know. How you doing? How you doing? Ah, Jenny Jones. Good night to you. How you doing? Yeah, likewise. I hope things will get better, but things don't get better, Jenny. Trust me. Things don't get better because we just see no help from from the real side yet. Understand me? Which is the government, is it? So, you know, things kind of look dirty. Things don't right. Things don't. Okay. Yeah, man. Everything is okay. All right. Give thanks and blessing to you. Welcome and welcome everyone. Welcome everyone so far. Welcome everyone. Good night. Good night. Good night. All right, yeah, my people. So, good night, and welcome to the live. Welcome to the live. My connection was a problem a while ago, my people. So, I'm sorry about that. I'm so sorry about the connection, my people. Really bad situation at this time. Bad situation at this time. The connection stay away, my people. Trust me. But anyway, good night, and bless up to you. Bless up to you. Bless up to you. Connection failed me a while ago. Yeah, man, good night, my people. Good night. Bless up, everything is right. And as I'm saying, my people, this is Jonah. Yeah, this is Jonah. Okay? Yeah, man, you're a YouTuber, Jamaica Land 1965. You don't know everything, the elder, your carpet, but they are Panther Trifles. You know, we organize ourselves with each and every one. Every one of us, you don't know, we are human, so we are just one, you see? So let us just share the situation and just know, boy, yeah, we share love amongst each other and respect for each other, and that is it, you see? Yeah, man, so we just say a word of prayer to the Almighty God for the night, for know, boy, yeah, we start here off and know, boy, it's a blessing, you see? Yeah, man. So we say thank you, Lord, for tonight. Thank you, Lord, for everyone that joining, oh my God. Oh my Lord, I asking you to bless my people in the western part of Jamaica, oh my God. Oh my God, I'm asking you to bless them for a speedy recovery, oh my God. Bless the people, oh my God, that heart have been touched towards what is happening to Jamaica, oh my God. Bless them, oh God, and bless the people that are there to really help, oh my God. In thy name as I pray, I say thank you, oh my Lord. Bless my people and the life. Bless my supporters. Bless everyone in the world. Blessed, oh my God. Thank you. In thy name I pray. Amen. Yeah, man. So people, that is it. We start off in a very beautiful way. We say thanks to the Most High, the Almighty God. Yeah, man. So, yeah, people, so we're going to start off now tonight, blog, we're going to talk about a lot of local issue we're going to talk about we're affecting Jamaica right in the time and now when everybody feel really get together and pull the string and make everything move the right and proper way. So far we don't see things are moving the right and proper way, so things are moving out of hand. You see? Yeah, man. Things moving out of hand. So first of all, we want the congratulations so far all of the people them, the private people them, entertainer them, and you know, celebrity from all over the world really come through and giving a really supporting onto Jamaica. We give thanks to you, and may God continue to bless you people that your food basket never empties in. Man like Buju Banton, yeah, and man like Tyrese, is in. Man like a whole heap of artists, my people, come through and really give them a time like now. Which we know we all appreciate it and we look forward and say, boy, yeah, that is good. You see? So we give shout out and thanks to all of them people. You see? Yeah, man. So Father God continue to bless them that them can continue to support the people them, because trust me, this support you have really fed us today alone. And copy me some people, yeah, man. I mean, a lot of people that a lot of negative talk pertaining towards the people them will get damaged. And I'm worried about talking about all kind of things and negative things. It don't really make it. You understand me? Yeah, it don't really make it. So we have to just try to get the people them recover and get back on them foot and know, so boy, yeah. Them see the light. Them can see the way out. Make them life better off again. You copy? It don't take long for the people. Them just want to see the way out. And once them see the way out, them are going to make light shine again. You copy? So that me know about Jamaican people. Them, see? So just big up on yourself, my people. As I say, thanks to all the people them who support the people them so far. God bless you, and God continue to bless you all through the life. You see? Yeah, man. Man like me say Tyrese, American Tyrese, USA, from Tyrese. Me say the man come with the idea, the water truck, the people, and drive down and like give the people them water. But I look into it and I say, oh my God, and look how much water truck the government have. Look how much water truck they have. Look how much water truck the people them are ball for water. And yes, still the government them don't full up, them don't get couple water truck and send out to the community them are devastated that them can't get water. And look how much water truck a Tyrese really come with that idea, the rent. You can say it's like I pay the man pay for that truck of water. For carry to give the people them, and yes still. We don't understand what's really going on. You see me? The people them want water because the man carry clean drinking water because they a drinking water. See? So why the government never see that possible that him can send out water truck to the community them who need water and make the people them get water? Oh my God, the amount of water truck there in Jamaica. And the next thing again, this aid thing really get more time we have to really consider what really are going on and how things are going. Because in the last year when Beryl hit Jamaica, I believe the government will come up with a list of things that they want. Whole heap of things, one whole list. They call it now about 2 leaf to 3 leaf. What are things that them say them want for the real bill back Jamaica in the time when Hurricane Beryl hit Jamaica. And to know, may I tell you the truth, my people, may I tell you. I believe we see the list because they never really publish the list, but you have to go up on the website to see the list. See? But the list contains a lot of items. Wheelbarrow, how metal boat, when flooding them can use boat and go through, and boat with the engine when can go through flooding. Like we see them use in America in the Texas when they play in Japanese River there. Yeah, them kind of boat there. A whole heap of them things there. And those things are things that the government requests. But you see the thing about it is that you see the transparency towards the government and the people, it's not there. May I say that way? Because if the country in a disaster are into a little form of stress and you ask for aid from countries and you get the aid them, you're supposed to turn to your Jamaican people them and to know so boy you hear it. You know, so we ask the country them to get some bulldozer and we get 10. We ask for some water tank and we get 20. We ask for some generator, we get 5. We ask, you know, but the country know the things them you get. That just keep the thing positive now. Just keep the thing positive now. That people can have more confidence in a whatsoever not doing as the head. See me? So all of those things that the government requests, them never come back to the people them and tell the people them say, yeah, we Jamaican people, you know, so we ask some things from our overseas help and we never really get it. So that is that. I will get it. And these are the things that we get. We know you're not at all from it. See? Alright now. This hurricane I know. This hurricane I know come jerk up a lot of people. And not for the people that get jerk up of people, they get jerk up from Beryl. And never get no attention. And whole heap of money come in, because the government talk, but I don't remember the figure now if you can write down the figure, if you can tell them the figures, but a whole heap of money come in from them time. And I look into it and I say, alright, a whole heap of money come in, them not really distribute the money as well, the money for distribute to the people them. My people, I'm telling this, my people. You see right now, this now have nothing to do with politics. This right now is about our country and the devastation where our country is in right now. We need our government to be the first response. See? And whatsoever things them I get, whole heap of $1 million worth of aid from country all over. Them say over 40 countries support Jamaica in aid and money and so forth. Insurance, money, everything. Me hear about our next company, our next insurance company by the name of CCIRF, something like that. Right now, Jamaica get over 4.8. 14 Jamaica get the total amount of payout to Jamaica I will get from this company since Melissa is 14.8 billion Jamaican dollar. That would be 91.8 million US dollar. See? And imagine you get all of these money. The government getting all of these money and people still out there in stress and want and lingering. It is all about the good Samaritan, the social media people them, the YouTube, the TikToker them, the artists them, the big people them different from government, the private sector people them, private people them. We support the people them, make the people them life really know what go on, because people 2 weeks ago now, people now sleeping in a house, people them not light, people them not running water, people them not a bathroom, a toilet for use. 2 weeks now. 2 weeks now. Government don't give them a portable toilet. Government don't move them from out of the destructive place or destruction there and put them somewhere them go and stay. The government never run carry enough food. Them say them carry, them distribute over 120,000 meal and over 50,000 care packages. But yesterday have people in Hanover ball. I said them say nobody. Up to yesterday people are ball. I said them say nobody come look for them. People in the Westmoreland are ball. I said them need help. Come on man. What really are going? Some don't know my people, so I just say I say boy, Jano. It's a lot of things and we not really preach nothing against the government. What we really talk about is the aid of the people. Yeah, the aid of the people, and I said people must get a better treatment in a time like now. Understand the people? Yeah. We need a better treatment than this. Is it? Yeah. All right. Me, I say, in a time like now, I know say the first priority for the government to do is to fix back infrastructure. Like school, the government building them, the road. No? Anywhere government sponsor, if them infrastructure will get damaged, the government may know say they want to make that a point of duty for fix back those things. First, is in before any others people house other get touched. So all of the school them done at the restaurant from Chilani, Westmoreland, Mobile, any school at all will get touched, about 4 to 5 schools. We'll get mashed up. Hospital will get mashed up. What they call it now, the mayor them place them done now the parish them call it councillor place or whatever them want to call it. All them places where mash up, you know, say local government. So all of them money I go put towards these things to fix back all of them places. All of them places, government places get mashed up. First priority is those things before anybody can get looked after. So all of the money, government have to fix, whether they fix the road, they want to fix back bridges, they want to fix back, no? Any little thing where government responsible for, first and foremost, them things that are up and running before anything else. The market them are damaged, hospital were damaged, school were damaged, parish council building them are damaged. You know, any farmer thing that was done in the country, government will fix them back. As long as them and fall on it, the government portfolio, them will get fixed back. Just like that. You see? So the people, we say that is the first thing for the government, the hospital and those things. Like, yeah. So the hospital may get mashed up is like Carnal Regional Hospital, Noel Homes in Hanover, Carnal Regional in St. James, Noel Homes in Hanover. You have Savalama Hospital in Westmoreland. So them hospital they have to really get back in touch and up and running. So those things are to be the first priority for the government. And the infirmary them, like the infirmary, because I believe there are infirmary in Chile where them say mash up. I mean, hear like the government that say, the local government that say, that infirmary now go back there so. Them not think for build because them say, first of all, them not plan for move it. Cause like they in the tourists. So you know, like it never suit this so. So it's like it mash up now, they must say that can't build back, so it have to move to somewhere else. You see? So infirmary and all them places have to build back. See? So all of those things are the first priority for the government to really push out and do what they have to do before them can start fix back people places. And people this thing I'm hear people that talk about, what name? What name again? Something in that city. Can anybody on their life can just remind me where the city again? Oh my God. Anybody on their life can remind me, please? Something like Quick City. No, Quick City. Oh my God. But in a St. Elizabeth and a Black River, them I say, them I build something under that city down there. No remember a city, smart city. A smart city. Them say something like that city them I build on there. But people, some people that say nothing like that. A rumor spread. But I can remember me really hear, I believe I hear the Prime Minister, Prime Minister make a speech and talk about smart city. Say them need to build a smart city, something like a smart city in Jamaica, to control the logistic, and because to all things that go right now, them want expand things quick and fast before things left out upon them. So them say them want to build a smart city. Yeah, in a Jamaica. I believe a smart city at the name feed. You see me? Yeah, so me get me people, it's like me hear people that talk, I say, boy, nothing like that. In already when na St. Elizabeth, the government say St. Elizabeth cannot be developed back as how it was. You must say, first of all, the development of St. Elizabeth wasn't located in a logistic way for the city, for the town. See? So what them have in mind now is so organize back the place and build it back in a different, instead of it just have it just like how it is stay first. They want to organize it back and set it back in a more official town. You see? More than how it is stay. That is how me read the statement where him give, and that's how me put it and analyze it. Say that is it. So anything else further, we see about it. You understand me, people? So far I know say government that talk about smart city, but I don't know where they want to put smart city. But me hear something, I don't remember for smart city. Anybody can remind if it is a smart city? If that is the case, my people, please just remind me. Let me know. Yeah, my people, so my people, remember for just like the video and just subscribe as it. And remember, my people, welcome to each and everyone that does okay, just had the life still, but just so talking about the recovery of my people in Jamaica where really I suffer hard. You see me? So that is it, my people. So we say, I'm not talk about the Jamaica have an insurance company where we'll give them some money named CCIRF, yeah? Or they'll give them a portion of money. Them say the total payout Jamaica will get now is 14.8 billion US dollar. No, 14.8 billion Jamaican dollar. That's a lot of money still. Yeah, man. A whole per money. 14.8 billion Jamaican dollar. Whole per money that. So at least put them money there, all of them money there, like them money, like for instance, I'm telling my people, I want to remember, I want to be where me I really talk, say, you have some more money where the government to get. Me I telling about it too. I want to tell the right amount of money. I don't want telling no lie. All right. It is US 1 point US dollars. It is 1.08 million plus 53.2 million US dollar. And then them come back again, them are get again, them are get now again 14.8 billion Jamaican dollars. Okay, people, and then we have a next amount of money, 770,000 US dollars. See? So, a lot of money come in at the island, and money we don't know about yet. See? To the government to support the people. Them. You see? Yeah. So, a lot of money, whole of money. So, basically, right now, people, we just want to know what really are going on. I want to know what really are going on. If the people them really not get the help of them to get. You see? The thing about the generator made them talk about say some people say the generator them too big and the government have to really loan out the generator them. I don't know how much country send generator come to Jamaica, but I know say Cayman one of the country send some generator. I don't remember the next country. We have 2 countries or 3 countries send generator come here. See? At least loan. We don't think it is right. I don't really want, because I don't really know the size of the generator them, but I say loan sound away still, you know? Trust me. Loan sound away. But at least people them to know where them want and know. We only can debate and talk about it and you know? Yeah. But the people them to know where them want. That is the right thing. You see? Yeah man. Alright. Them say they have a look up parish up in St. Andrew, up in here, red light. Like you have red light and you have I believe up in St. Andrew place there. Yeah. I see them people that really are doing some progress to them community. Cause landslide, piece of them road chop off and them pipeline busway, them now no water up at them place. And it's like 2 weeks now ago and the no water commission can't come. People them want water, the pipeline there, you know the people them know. People them go hard way go buy the plastic pipe, couple lengths of plastic pipe and buy them things and then come and them glue them up and catch them on the pipe where they fit it on the pipe where they there and connect it up and run that on the road where landslide underneath there so. Run that and right now them have water and them coming up a red light. Them have water and them coming up a red light, which is a good get for the people them can't wait. Them put out them effort and themselves, which is good. See? Can help themselves, that is good. You copy me I say? Yeah. So I appreciate that to them do this so. If you really come out and help themselves. You see? The thing is this with people. We find say the storm pass and gone, see? The storm pass and gone with people, see? But here the problem now me look upon now. You find say a lot of rainfall same way. A lot of rainfall are going same way. A lot of rainfall. Because right now them predict a whole heap of rain. And last night them say a whole heap of rainfall and road block in a Sandy Bay. Yeah? In a Hanover, rainfall last night on Black Road in a Sandy Bay. See? So basically, the rain no ease up. And if the earth, the soil soft already, and if you continue getting more water, it will continue to move the soil. Understand? Because the soil is soft, so we continue to have landslide. We're going to continue to have landslide once the rain continue falling. So that is a no again. I have to try clear the road there again. Hanover, yeah. People them a ball with some lady in a Hanover ball. I say boy them need assistance. Nothing now come for them way. It's like them cut off from the world. Nobody now come for them way. I don't know because the government say everybody I get help. Everybody I get help. And who community maroon, them I do airlift. And them I do 2 to 3 airlift a day to them community there. So I don't know. We're just following the news. Because I go for my JIS news, I go for my TVJ news, I go for my CVM news. See? Because I don't want to run just the social media news alone. Or them say fast. So I go in at the government thing and get some news too. You copy me and some people, yeah. So Bagwalk, reopen. Bagwalk, reopen. Seeing the road clear and Bagwalk, reopen, my people. Good thing that, seeing people can start drive back a Bagwalk again and go back Linstead and go back to Euratown and go take it up Mount Russell and go to St. Anne's. You see, yeah, people can start drive the place again. You copy? Yeah. So Bagwalk, reopen back. You see? Them have a next landslide, my people. Landslide. William Field to Glengarth. Landslide. Williams Field to Glengarth. Landslide. That road, it not possible right now. Now copy? Yeah, landslide. William Field to Glengarth. Okay, my people? Yeah, man. So, you find through the rain, we are continue to fall. We are going to continue to have them kind of issue right now. Once rain fall, these are the things that are going. Landslide. Because Melissa soft now, holy. You see how them mountain with the rat them. I talk to my fellow Jamaican where a motorist like myself. You see, now is the time when I drive against run a Bagwalk and up in a go up like when I go on junction and all them places. You see the hillside them with them big rock upon it. Beware of them because them loosen. Yeah, them big rock upon the hill them now, on the mountainside, them loosen. So at any time, them can just rock way and gone. You see, because Melissa loosen them. I'm telling you that. Whole heap of them loosen. That's why I find say, if I look at rain fall now, we get landslide because the earth soften up. Understand me? So, my people, motorists we are drive, people we are come to Jamaica and try to deliver aid to community we get stranded and want help. Please be careful of the mountainside when not drive in a certain community, and the mountain is very dangerous. Things can fall on now at this time in a car when not drive, okay? So remember that, my people, okay? As I say, Williamsfield to Glengarth a landslide, yeah? Let me say over 50,000 people right around in Jamaica is without water. 50,000 people right now in Jamaica is without water. So basically, there are some difficulty and some itchings more time to give the people them water because some place get destroyed and them have to really replace back and so forth. So here's a good solution now. Do some water tripping to the community them. Put water in a truck, a whole per water truck them out. Load up to water truck because when there's are certain times, when it comes to certain things and people don't know water, me say water truck a load up a car go get people in the countryside and made. So now is the time. Load up the truck them a water. Send them going to the countryside and get the people them water. Now is the time. Now is the time, my people. My leaders, now is the time. Send water in a water truck them. Do like what Tyrese do. They give the people, them 50,000 people that went on the water, carry water to give them until them get water. Simple as that. Yeah, man, as simple as that, man. All right, now. Let me say Falmouth Market. Falmouth Market, them start clean up Falmouth Market. As me telling them before, my people said, You see, these places are places for the government, parish council, which is a part of the government, and you don't know these them. Although you hear them say, boy, them not collect no money and no and so forth, but them try to get these places up quick and fast because these are revenue coming in to the government. See? So them clean it up now. People can start going. People will come out for the road and go in at the market them. I know so by before it catch Christmas probably they run off till January, money start collect again. You copy? Yeah. Money start collect again. You see? So as I said earlier on, the government priority basically is to all facility that fall underneath the government is the first priority to fix. The first priority to fix. So basically, that's a while to go on. You see it? Yeah, man, that's a while to go on. You copy? Yeah, man. Welcome all of you, my people. Welcome to the live. You don't know, it's a pleasure to have you, my people. For the first time you're joining my live, thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much for joining. God bless you for your time. You see me? It is a blessing to have you, my people. God bless all of you on the live at this present moment. I am here talking about the crisis of my Jamaican brothers and sisters that we are facing now with certain things where the people them need and the people them are ball for wants and ball for cares and people, no? So we're just talking about what can be done and things that have been doing. Understand me? So basically, my people, we give thanks and praise to each and every one of you, my people, that really join the live at this present moment and sharing it and commenting and liking the video and also subscribing. I appreciate you, my people. So thank you very much for the support. Yeah, man. As we continue and going along. The people that may not get no water yet, I don't like, say, Hanover, Tri-Hill, Tory District, Martin Castle, Matilda's Hall. Those are places where I really get, where we don't really have no water. Them district there, them don't have no water. See? So, them a work on them places for things come up. You see me? Them a work on them places. So basically, my people, things but things more speed up. Whatsoever I do, it a go too slow. Things need more speed up because the aid we are coming fast. We don't need no aids for your cargos put in a storeroom and a store for the next 5 years or so forth. No. We want the people them to get the aid them. Every day carry food to get the people them. Every God Almighty day. For 1 year to take 2 years, they give them food until when them can lift up themselves out of this slum. Because it's not easy to lift up out of this, Some people get shocked. Although it is a natural disaster, a lot of people get shocked because all of them livelihood gone. All of what they work for in them life gone. And for some people, if you really say, boy, if you start back life, it's like it's a burden. It is very heavy. You see me? So some people really get shocked. Some people are good for you end up mad after this. Them just get chipped and them gone crazy, mad. You see what I did? So it's not a nice task. So it's the best people them can get attention and show passion, show love, show care towards the people them. But the people them know say, boy, although this happened to you is not alone. We are here with you, we stand with you, we make the people them feel as if say, boy, yes, we all love each other. Understand me? We all love each other. So basically people them have a more comfort in themselves. But if the people them say go on, so now this has stressed me, a stressful time, enough people are gonna get chipped. Enough people are gonna get chipped because people lose a lot of things. People lose a lot of things. I mean, yeah, people are say, boy, Or the people them love hands out and the people them love free from, people love this and people. No, that's a bad remarks. No can't talk them kind of things against the people them. See? And I talk about the people them, not for the people them have money, them can't help themselves, but yes, them want to help themselves, they want to look hands out. Come on, I'm telling you this, man. I'm telling you this. The richest people in this country right now is the government. The richest people in this country right now is the government. And the least good thing happen to this country, the first thing the government do is look help. The first thing the government do is look help. So if the government look help, what is it for the people if look help? Or if them have a look at shilling? Come on, man. When I bet things look away, I'm not make me hear some people really talk against them one people. See? If people get destroyed and get damaged, what is it for them to say them a look help to rebuild back themselves, to get back on them foot? More time you look help and you get help. Help you get can't really help you out and you have to balance it. And you have to stand up and balance it. See? So when I want come out and say, boy, them a look help, oh God have mercy, them a look help to just lift up. And once them get the help to lift up, them get the strength to continue. For prolong. You see? So when I hear some people attack and I say the people them want hands out and the people them love too much freeness. Come on, man. So when them people we attack, you can't imagine what is them. Some of them man we see come on social media attack and them thing there. You imagine what is them. When you find out what is them status and so forth, you're frightened. You copy me, I say, serious thing. See? But yesterday them come and at this the people, but the people them love hands out. That's very rude. Very, very rude. Out of order. You copy in a time like now. See? Rich person in Jamaica do the most begging. The government do the most begging more than anybody else. Government do the most begging. And yet still them get the most money and do the less spending. If I never for the people them on TikTok and YouTube and the artists them and some private people, where they go and feed people them now, 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Man have come and talk about the generator about the Prime Minister can, the PM can't give people generator if they loan them it and no say boy when them come back up on them foot, let me take back the generator because the next 2 years from now, if a next time blow somewhere different, them want the generator them to give different for people again. Yo, man, I tell you, say, it's a politics about everything, but you don't know who know good and who know better, do better. Because we know we are looking at ourselves and I say, people in a stress and people in a problem, people in a trouble. Whatsoever aid they get for the people, they give the people them the aid. And aid you get. If I never this time, you only get none. You hear the man I say? The man I say, boy, K-man, like him I say, K-man get the generator there. What kind of government building? K-man business about government building and people them at Jamaica, the people them send the generator them for. You might come talk about government building. And the people them of Jamaica, the people of Jamaica them send the generator for get. I'm a talk about. Came and send the generator them come to the government for support the government building and the government business. No. You see the 40 nation. I tell you this. You see the 40 nation will really send aid to Jamaica. And because of the government, you know, as because of Jamaica itself, them love the people of Jamaica. They have sympathy upon the people of Jamaica. They care about the people and the government, the people them care about. And send them things them come to government and the government. About how much money UK send? UK send something like about 7 million what a year that 7, I don't remember, 7 billion hour or 14 million pound what a year. They don't send the money to the government, them send aid. Most country now send the money to the government. See? But the government still get a lot of money same way. A lot of money. Insurance money from all angle, left, right and center. Them have disaster money. I know the government come tell the country. I know me hear them come tell the country about the disaster money them have put on. Because you know say every government supposed to have at least 10 billion put on for disaster. At least or more than that. 10 billion or more. Probably 50 billion them have put on for disaster. Should in case of a disaster them can help themselves. Every country have them disaster relief money. So all of the money we see government I get, them I get money for really to support the people them. It is all about for the people. For the country them say support the country so far, and the government them love. And the government them love. And the people of Jamaica them a help. So everything when them send come here is for the people of Jamaica. So they need to do better and issue out the things them more faster. And with more transparency that people can see how the aid are go. Because people are watch worldwide. Yeah. People are watch worldwide. You see? Yeah, man, people, so as the 7 people, but there we are going to give out the whole issue about where we know where we are going and where we think of what really should have gone. You see? Because we know, say, the people, every day we hear the news and see the news. Because the news now, I don't the news I tell you. You see? People them are cry. People them need help. People them are bad for help. People them are bad for people to come assist them. People say them want about them house for living, you know. See? Put on about them roof. But as well them say, the roofing for the people them, and not something really passive. Them kind of house that the people them have. Them need to get a better structure, which is right. Them need to get better structure for this kind of storm, you know, hurricane, a category 5 storm. See? They need to get the structure and the roof them slab. Them look a fancy zinc upon house. And them housing scheme, I say I build up. And I tell the people, them one man say I just 2 years now since him buy the house and come there. And stand blue on a cardboard. I don't want to laugh at them people, God know, but trust me. I don't want to laugh, God see I know star. They call them a developer. See? They was a developer. See? Them tell the people, them say, the roof for the house is a category 5 storm roof. It is a category 5 storm roof. That is what them told the people them. See? And guess what now, people? A category 5 storm pass through. And roof blow down. House shell down. And when the people them get to find out now, when them save them life and them come back now, come and look upon them belongings and look upon the house or the house stairs and so forth. When them take a piece of the house apartment, but they don't know if they tell the call it people, but piece of the what them call it now, the building, piece of the building is cardboard. Totally paper the man take up on a tear. Total paper where them pay how much $1 million for. Fancy looking cardboard house, the zinc top, the house top blow away. It can't stand a category 5, but them tell the people themselves it's a category 5 all stop. So what do you think could have happened this or no? Because me feel more than less if a certain country them people they have to I go to prison, you know. Because that is a robbery that. Yeah. If a some country them I go to prison because robbery that. Totally you blindfold the people them and rob the money. Yeah? Yeah, you tie something with them here and rob them. You color your clothes. You color your clothes where you wear on your faces and no? You're robbing the people them. Millions of dollars for the house them. I don't know. 1 million or 2 million for your house in Jamaica. When I see them development they go on in them community, them build what I call it now, gated community. A gated community. In them places, if you don't have say $20 million, you can't get a house. $30 million, $40 million. Those are the price of house. See? Gated community. But yes, still 2 years. And that is the damage and all the things they have in your house damage. So, no? It's tough for the people. The man, as we tell people say, when we hear the man attacks, the people are rely upon people forgive them hands out and so forth. No, them totally out of order. They can't style people down like that because a man like this now, we are try with them girl and them daughter and them little child. And them make 2 little shilling and them say, alright, we are better with life. See? Them could have buy a piece of land and build up them house, probably to take them a time. Them go bomb and go buy a house, a ready build house. For how much $1 million? Gated community, them say, yes, them life gone upscale. You see me? Them life gone upscale. But yes, still in a disaster. In a disaster. The house where them pay for how much millions cannot withstand the breeze. See? So these things are very dangerous. So you don't say you want these people now to come and ask for help, plead for help. Come on, man. Come on, man. Not because him can't find the money to buy a house for 10 million or 20 million or 15 million. And stand blow it down now. He wants to say him don't need no help. Eh? All some of them people are so wicked, man, to one another. Or not so cruel to one brother and sister. Eh? So the man can buy a house for 15 million and stand blow it down. Him don't want nobody to help him. Him don't want to get back on him foot. Come on, man. I really want to see someone in some destruction and stress. And see how they retaliate to people come and assist them. People come and help, how they really operate towards it. When you sit down and attack against others people, but people want hands out. I own, man. I where you come from, man. Come on, man. Do better than that. You copy? Do better than that. Welcome to you, all my people on the live. It is a blessed evening, blessed night. You see? Bless up. You don't know? God bless all of you. Welcome, welcome. Good night, good evening, good morning. Depends on where you're watching this live from at this moment. You see? So, it's a pleasure to have you, my people. It is a pleasure to have you. You copy? It is a thing that we really want to keep on pushing continually, doing a live every night, and we can come and tell the people them about what's really going on. Understand me? Yeah, which is right. You see? And I appreciate all of you, my people, so far for your support that you are supporting me. Guys, tell you something, my people. Is if you just come on a person live alone and come sit down and listen to me talking, I know one easy thing. People don't really have time for them things the most of the time. So if your argument is not really something really sorry about that. Sorry, my people, sorry. Yeah. If your argument is not something really about that important to the issue of what really are going on in your country or so forth, or things we are going around the world, people don't want to hear you because if you talk nonsense, and if you talk about your country and not talk positive talk, people don't want to hear you neither. See? So these are things you have to have yourself very confident in what you do, conscious in what you do, and know the right things where you have to come tell the people because here are going, a lot of things are going. A lot of propaganda are spread. A lot of false news are going on. See? A lot of hypocritical things are going on. A lot of robbery are going on. See? A lot of carry don't bring gun. What whole of things are going on, people. Whole of things are going on. People are trying to enrich themselves off of this right now. See? And me hear people that say the people them want hands out. And right now, who get enough is money. Imagine a man, a country in a disaster, and the country get 770,000 US already. See? Then go back again and them get 53.2 million US. That is a country in a disaster, you know, where the government are get. See? Then go back again and them get 1.8 billion US. Then come back again and them get 14.8 billion Jamaican dollar. So, they want to tell me, so now, who a beggar from who a beggar? Who I get money from who I get money? The people that must ask for help, that's all the people that want help. And the help are coming for the people them, so the people them need to get the help. So don't stop the negative. When they want the money come to Uno, all this money, you add up all the money and put them how much, money, how much billions of dollars that. We got 14.8 billion already, and you add on more billion on it. Probably it reached about 30 billion when you're done. Enough money that. Enough millionaire right now don't have not even 2 billion. And I'm a millionaire. Remember I tell you that. And then we reach a billion yet. So if you have 30, you get 30 billion from country for your country, for help out. It's not something for go in a pocket. It's not something for nobody put in a pocket. It's something for help back the country, rebuild back the country. And the first thing in this thing, if you do not rebuild back the people them life, the country can't rebuild back. The people them life have to start rebuild back for have that energy and that vibes for rebuild back the country. If you just say you rebuild back the country and the people them live nowhere and now get no care or nothing at all, you feel that happen. Rebellion. Yeah. So the people them have to get taken care of. And no joke about it. No joke about it. You see? So when you not talk to people, do not discriminate the people them. Lord, the people them have a right to ask for anything them want to ask for because the government get it, forgive them it. They might get it for themselves. I don't know why Jamaican people are so fool and stupid. Eh? Some of the whole I know, some of the people, Jamaican, some of the Jamaican people really don't. Yeah. I don't know when another use reality over fiction. Yeah? I don't know when another come to themselves and know. Think about reality in their life. Yeah. One of the greatest things that when you know the reality of life. See? The reality of things that are going on in your country. See? Never you be negative towards negative things in your country. Don't just sit down so and say things when you right are going and you just sit down so. No, that's not right. You talk, you lick out on it, even if you're government, you talk and say that's not right. That is not what you vote for, you don't vote for that. So you don't make sure you vote for your government and you say something will go wrong. You're afraid to talk and lick out. No. You lick out on them. That is a real patriotic Jamaican. You want your country to run good. When I vote for you, I vote for you to come run the country the way how me expect a country for run. If me see you mess up and not do right, I'm going to tell you, say, yo, I vex how I vote for you. I'm sorry me vote for you because you don't understand nothing what you do. That's how it go. You see what I do? That's how it go. So when people hear people, some people really talk and them talk biased towards certain things and really got deep down in the politics and use politics to really conquer the right. No, that is not the way forward. See? The way forward is that, say, boy, politics is there because politics is a part of the thing where govern the country. See? But we expect when any form of crisis, the same politics come together, join hand together, and try to uplift the people where them same one and look for support in an election time to get big payment. The people get 15 million and 20 million and 25 million and 27 million and 30 million, probably also forth, I don't know. See? So all of these money where these people them get, me talk it again and I talk it again. Them need to donate money out of them millions of them get. 63 members of parliament. And if each one of them put out 2 million out of the money, 2 million, I step it up from 1 million. Because it take too long. 2 million out of the money. Each 63 member of parliament, 2 million out of the money. That will be 126 million. That can fix up a local part in a Black River or even in a content where the water rise or one of them, no? Hospital or school. No need to donate something to. Yeah. We know the little young one that just come in and get no money yet still. You see me? Yeah, look a young one that just come in September before they get a 1 year pay. You see? So they don't really have the money yet, but the money but they're not long term, don't put out no money, man. Help the community them, man. Help the community, man. You see? Help the community them, man. You see what I did? Trust me. Jamaica need no more than anything else. Now is the time for you to stand up and help in our country. Now is the time for show no powers, no resilience towards people when you say no love. You love Jamaica, you love Jamaica people, show Jamaican people so you love them. Don't be biased. Don't deal with hatred towards the people them liberty. Don't wait till them people them die out before no run for help them. Help them from now before destruction strike again. And this time destruction and strike is not a what I call no natural disaster to come. People are gonna die because all these money. All these money I don't know go on my life. You know what's live when them that jump off my Wi-Fi. I jump off my people. Trust me. Wi-Fi not really comfortable at all night. Trust me. I don't feel good about it, you know? Yeah, my Wi-Fi. I don't feel good about it. Yeah, man. So, yeah, man. So, we don't get no news if them country are brighten, comfort, and context. If them prepare water will rise. If it go down. We don't get no news about that yet. Zane. We don't get no news about that yet. Zane. And the two parish where they maroon in Petersville and Duckett, we don't get no more update from it if them clear it. The other people, we don't get no update from it if them clear it. See? But we have update for sure. Say Sandy Bay to Bagwalk. No, from in Hanover. Road in Hanover, the road black going to Sandy Bay. See? Yeah. Road block going to Sandy Bay in Hanover. Okay? Yeah. So, people, let us know where I go on. And us know the boy Jamaica need it. And my people, I have something to say again towards, pertaining towards even me. You see me? I'm a man like this who really, my heart goes out for the people them who really get touched and really want help. See? I know say, as a YouTuber, you find a lot of people who really interact with you on the channel, who subscribe to the channel and so forth. And people who even come from live and so forth, we really want send a helping hand for help out in the Jamaica crisis. And now, see, which is a right thing. Me appreciate all people who really want send a helping hand. But the next thing again, my people, is a lot of things are going on. A lot of things going on. A lot of things are going on. You have all kind of people that use the platform now for do. But I call some people call it scamming, some call it enriching themselves, and all kind of things. And here the next thing again, my people. The people them who, the diaspora, people in the diaspora, and people from overseas, from all over the world, who are watching live at night time, they don't know who a scam from who righteous and who legit. You see me? They don't know who a scammer from who is legit. You understand me? So, in my case, me know where I'm going. Me know where I'm going. And me can comfortable a person mind towards giving. Because if a person don't have that comfort of mind state, we say, we can't give a person $100. If they don't have that mind state towards you, say them can't give $100 towards help towards the people them. Them now go. You understand me? So me, to know myself, I know where my intention, I know where me think about the people them, I know where me really want to do for my people them. Me have to tell my people, I have to tell the people them where I donate and so forth. Say, you see, if you come from my life and you find, say, you want to send some money come to Jamaica, and like for instance, you say, boy, you not trust me individually, you not trust me. If you send the money to come to, don't make it be no problem. Don't make it be no problem. You see what I did? Don't make it be no problem. Because you're going now. I want people who trust me to deal with me. You understand me? If you don't trust me, I don't want you really send the money come to me, or you don't trust me. Alright, my people? I want people who trust me to send them little $10 and $20 come to me, but I can turn it on to my people that I want help. I don't want you send $100 come give me, and you don't trust me, you bring down a heavy load for me heavy and pressure me down because you don't trust me. And listen again, my people. You see, anybody will send their money come towards me and say if you give, to buy and give to people, it will be on the live. Everything will be on the live that you can see how no money I spend. When we go to a country, you can see who I get from who I get all the things distribute. See? I have to deal with transparency. So as I say, if a person upon a live and them want to donate or them want to help Jamaica, if you don't have no confidence in me, don't use me. Please, do not use me if you're not confident in me. Okay? People who have confidence in me, you are all welcome. Okay? You can get to my WhatsApp and contact me through my WhatsApp and we can work from there. My WhatsApp number is 876, which is my code number, area code 233-6408 is my WhatsApp number. Anybody want to get in touch with me can kindly do so. 233-6408 is my WhatsApp number. Okay, my people? Yeah. So that well said and done. That is it. Yeah, my people. So as we are talking, I go along with people. I don't know. I still want cry out for my people continually. Yeah, continually. I can't stop cry out for my people them. And where the help, where the people them really. I'm in a Maroon town, Movado, big up Movado, big up Movado. Yeah. See Movado go away. Where I'm going to Maroon town and him go, I'm going to St. Elizabeth. Then what do you name? Mama's, remember him again? Mama's boy, something like so. Yeah. The handout, mother, big up yourself. Enough respect for that. Enough respect, my brother. You see it? We love them things because here go on now. The people them need the help. And it's like when I sent best to so just done so. Where we see them go, it's like the whole per aid now go down so. People them must need to organize together. I want the next thing I want see the government, and una angle all of the money in the aid thing. Una need to work with the opposition. The government need to work with the opposition. This is not about politics, this is about Jamaican people. Jamaican people need uno help now. Jamaican people need to see them member of parliament. Oh, you have 28 member of parliament on one side and 35 on one side. But yes, still, the people them can't see for them member of parliament out of the 28 to come give them no aid. And who them say? A government workers, or government say them choose to give work, for give aid to them community. But yes, still the 35 on the government side who get affected, them can show up in a for them consequence by themselves face to face, can give the people them aid. So one to the next set of people them on the opposition side, them need to can go give them people aid to just like all the government side I get aid. So we have to work the things in an order. We can't work the things through politics. It not go work. It not go work. You see? And somebody hear me talk a thing and a person look at me and say, why you come up with the argument there? I mean, I tell you the argument I'm come up with my people. I go and tell them the argument I'm come up with. The argument that I come up with is I talk an argument today say the government are pulling foot. They move very slow. And I say the reason why I think the government is moving slow is because it reaching pinnacle. Yeah. The government was going for third term. And he reached third term. And probably feel to himself say, I achieve what I was looking. I achieve what I was looking. Because when you notice Jamaican politics, most of the government them, when them get 3 term, then we want to go to more, them feel say yes, them reach a pinnacle, so them can step down and leave. No? Yeah. So probably the PM feel to himself say yes, third term, so we really want our next term. So and if in an interest like that, if you really go that all out to help the people them now in this time, because him now look no 4th term. Me say Black River and certain parish will mash up, bad, where it look like a bomb drop there. 5 years from now fix up back. Because this government now put out no effort to fix up back nowhere because he's not interested. For no 4th term. So you see that headache but then there's a fix up. You want to run left it because it's a headache. So you see the government will come in now. I go come in for all of them destruction to come rebuild. So my people, we don't know if we say make sense. But una all there, please, me I beg you know. Comments. I don't notice me not too see no comments are coming, my people. I don't know why the comments them stop coming, but as a couple coming and then they stop. I don't know why comments them stop coming, but anyway, my people, I want to know if what I say makes sense. See me? I want to know if what I say makes sense. If it makes sense, comment and make me know, say, true, reality, it makes sense. I want to know, my people. Because most of the government in Jamaica, a third term, them really aim for run the country for 3 terms. And once you reach 3 terms, either them step down or, you know, yeah. We don't really know what in the PM mind for PM plan for step down. We don't know. But through this come it and no. People want to enjoy them life. They want to enjoy them life, so we don't know what really in the mind of the PM at the time and also. Basically, we have to just watch and see. But me say the next 5 years from now, Western Jamaica still not fixed up back yet. Remember me telling you that. And they say the government we are going to win the election 2030 are going to have that idiot there to fix back Jamaica. Yeah man. So my people, remember my people, I beg enough for just subscribe to the channel because here you go now. I want to help the channel to subscribe to, that the channel can grow. Because the channel need to get monetized, my people. You see, the channel need at this time you need to get monetized. And we want to give the channel the watch hours. Please. Watch the video. You can go up on all the playlist and just watch the video them. Just watch the video them from end to finish. Give the watch hours. I'm begging for the watch hours, my people. Yeah, man, the watch hours is very important. Because if I get the watch hours, the channel can be monetized. You see? If we get the watch hours for that month, yeah, the channel monetized next month. So my people, I beg you to do. If you not help me out, you just continue to subscribe, continue to comments, continue to like the video, and please watch the video to the end. Yeah, man. That is how it goes, people. There is enough love and respect to all of them. And as I say, the whole of the people them really jump out and support Jamaica right now. Yeah, man, we're glad for that. We're glad for that. Yeah? Because you don't know the support of be there. You copy? That is it. You see? I don't know how the chat them, I'm not asking no chat to come up, but I don't know how I go on. Whoa. I mean, like I made the clip, oh my God. My people, may I read some comments. I mean, never penetrate where I go on with my people. Omar, this man is not for Jamaica, or for Jamaican, this MP. Well, him do 3 terms, so as me say, we don't know what is the intention. If this, no? Yeah. Daryl Gay say, true. You see, Omar say, you are right, father. You see, that is so true by Omar. Daniel Gay said, I, enough respect to you, welcome. You see, you know anything of Dayton, of Davington. But I look for that name, but Davington. I see, Davington there in coming again, my people. Davington there in St. Elizabeth. Comment and let me know if I there it is. Friend of St. Elizabeth. Maybe I may look on them note here. If I say the name about Davington there is there. No, I don't say the Davington there. No. Where is Davington? In St. Elizabeth? Comment and let me know. Manchester going to St. Elizabeth. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I want to show you, say, hear this now, Danny Gale. See? The mud, the mudslide going in a Santa Cruz. See? Yeah, the mudslide going in a Santa Cruz. And the day after the storm, that was a Wednesday, I was in Santa Cruz. I left Kingston and go to Santa Cruz. My car get damaged through the mudslide and whole pan mud and the mud. I say the mud and thick. Yo, like at the whole of the mountain, the water wash off come down to Santa Cruz. Trust me. And you see that Davinston, that's where I go park up. When I drive the night, I come up and see my engine get back at me. At Davinston, I want to look shop. A man named June have a little shop. We run him shop and when like he want to sell car parts and so forth. And like they make black one there. They make black one on the back. And that's how I stop and sleep for the night. And the morning 5 o'clock, I full up my tank of water again and head out. Right at Davinston, Manchester, coming out of Santa Cruz. That is it. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So, the community there, they are right still, Some people get touched, some houses get touched and so forth, but, it never devastated like, Santa Cruz. Whoa, man, I tell you. House get touched in a Davinston. Yeah, house get mashed up in a Davinston. But Santa Cruz, man, I tell you, man, whoa. Yeah, man, thank you very much, Danny Gale. You see, that is it. You see me? That is a search for going over for there for give the people them the update from where we're going over country, because right now, that is what we need. The people them overseas, the diaspora, people from all over the world, them are join in on the live them. Not my life alone. Forget info pan Wagwan in Jamaica. Is my David? Yeah, man. So that's how it have to go. We have to have the right information we can give to the people them. You see? Because right now Jamaica need all the help where them can get. All the help where them can get. You see, my people? Yeah, man. So, as me say, anybody want to support? Wow, I know over there so cold now, Danny. Yeah, man, Danny, over there so cold now, me Dan. Trust me. Really, you cook up, you're the inside. Run your, when they call it fire, when they call it fire side. When they build fire inside and keep yourself warm. Bless up now. I don't know. Enough love from Jamaica to England, you see? Yeah, man, enough respect to each and every one over in England. You copy? Yeah, man, that is it. You wrap up in a blanket, charge your nose, Starkey. That is it, my Dan. Keep your body good, because you don't know the cold can be very dangerous, Yeah? Can be very dangerous. So you have to keep yourself in the right temperature, you see? Which is right, you see? Yeah, man, Danny Gale, man. We're there, man. I don't know. They are trying to make things better for the island. You see? Yeah, they are trying to make things better for the island. You see? Yeah, man. So, me go Santa Cruz. But, me just Santa Cruz, but me was so bad lucky. I was so bad lucky that I just Santa Cruz. Because me I go for tour to find out what really going on at the island, See, in Lacova Bridge break off, so we have to turn back. So I turn back and I realize my car start to overheat, and from my overheat there, so engine mash up. I'm going to post it. Yeah, from this, so I mash my car engine mash up. Right there, so. Remember, 876 is the code number, okay? Remember, 876 is the year code number. Yeah, that is my WhatsApp number, yeah. Yeah, mash my car engine mash up, me done. Yeah. So, I have to just decide, say, boy, I hear me, it have to carry me back to Kingston. Yeah. Because I have to buy an engine, so reach back to Kingston with it. Right now, I try to get over it. Try to get it up and running. I have a lot of clothes when I can't go back to country to give people. Well, anytime I go in a country, right now, the rush and everything, yeah. But next month, Christmas, people want help see me coming to the Christmas or coming on that Christmas. Enough people now that have no farm at Christmas. Man, tell you, matter of fact, you see the people them done Black River, Westmoreland, and part of Hanover get damaged. Now go have no Christmas. Now they have no Christmas. This Christmas in Jamaica, or the western part of Jamaica, is a disaster Christmas. Remember me telling you this. Disaster Christmas. That is the name of this Christmas coming. Disaster Christmas. Okay, my people, remember. Yeah, man. So, but we still want all what we can do for the people, them see me all the best. See? I remember me saying to my people, if anybody at all want to contribute or do any farmer thing, and remember if you watch me on the live and now you sit down and you watch me, and your spirit can't pick me, you can't pick me, because you know more time you have to try to pick a person, and if your spirit pick with a person, then you have a more flow of vibes going along. But see, once you can't pick that person's spirit, like me, your spirit can't mesh, and you say you want to donate something, you don't have to donate it towards me at this time, because if our spirit can't mesh, I'm saying now I have no confidence in me. See? So, I want people to donate to me who have confidence in me in what I do. Have confidence in what I am doing. And that is what I am all doing. Okay? So, shout out to all them people who respect me and have confidence in me, and who I try to bet my car come back on the road also. Send money, come and say, my youth, help fix up your car back and try go down the country to do what you have to do. Respect. God bless you. I made no food basket, never empty. Never empty. And God give you all the health and the strength that you can continue to support others people in need in time like this. No joke about it. Yeah, no joke about that. Serious chat, serious talk. Yeah, man. I tell you. Serious talk with people. So, we just know, say, I just love every time that we are dealing with. Love. Be my sister's keepers and my brother's keepers. Yeah. At all time. Because, we don't know where tomorrow may be. Me don't know where tomorrow may be. You don't know where tomorrow may be. You don't know where tomorrow may be. So, we don't know. So, we have to just love once we can give it. At all time, we just give love, because that is what it's all about, love. And so once we find the love in our heart, and we can share it amongst people, that is one of the greatest feelings. As I talked earlier on, the people that done in the country, a lot of people, by the end of the year, a lot of people that get kinky. They might get chip. They got chip. Because people lost a lot of things. And I not say them to stand up strong and wait and so forth. Because remember, if you in an age like even say me, 60-year-old then, see? And all my life me have fight to survive. But nothing now go on. But at least you got to build up a little boardhouse. You have a little fridge, a little TV in it, you have a little bed. Your house clean, you have a little clothes that you can change, and you can cook your food and eat. And yeah. Things now go on to no full extent, but at least you live it clean. Because that is most important thing, cleanness. You understand me? Yeah. And storm come now and devastate every God Almighty thing for you. If you're not strong, you chip, People must say if you're not strong, you chip out. My people, tell you this, man. You see, Me that strong gentleman. Very strong, me I tell you that. Strong Jamaican man. Yeah. I'm in a band in the countryside now, I'm born in Kingston, but I'm very strong, me I tell you that. You see, when me there at town I do my little selling, I put out my load the Friday morning and get the news say my house a burn down and my run go. And my run go, my two pitney them, I say my two pitney them burn to death. Remember me telling you this, my people, if me never strong, me mad. People, as me mention it right now, call me leave me want mention it, but me I telling my people, God know. Because usually me I talk to my people, I don't really mention them things. My people them know where me really go through in our life. You see? But me I telling my people say, if me never strong, me chip. And more time I wonder if it is a chip off something, but it never fully chip. Yeah, more time I wonder if it was chipping off something, but it never fully chip. But me strong, me I telling my people, God know. And anybody can wall out that. You see your two sons them just gone, so they perish the fire through carelessness. I call myself really strong, God know. Yeah, man, really strong. So, me know me I talk about my people. You know them thing, people with chip, head chip. These people start to walk and them look like them normal, but them gone. Them gone. Some of them people I know is like to the state to them inner, them a look boost for help boost them life right now. To the state to them inner right now, them a look a boost for help boost them life. And here the boost to them find themselves in now. Jugs. Where take them down the drain, mash them up. Versa. So, I'm not easy task to the people them. I'm not easy task to the people them out there. I'm telling the truth, I'm not easy task. You see? The people them are go through it. People them are go through it. My people, if you're on the live now, and what I am saying at this present moment makes sense to you, my people, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. Or like up a live for me, please. We say just message me on WhatsApp. Yeah, man, I look it up, see? Yeah, my people. If what I am talking now don't make sense, my people, please comment and let me know. Say, when I talk don't make sense. And if it makes sense to you, my people, please like up a live. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, please subscribe. Okay? That is what we want. We want to have real man talk where people can understand, sit down and look into things. Because, me tell you this, them have a thing them call them prophecy. Where people sit down and look ahead and can tell you things we go. See? People looking at life and can tell you things. So, more time people can sit down and reason and things just come up to them and them just can tell you, say, this and this can be happen. But at the same time, it can happen next couple of years after. But somebody come up with it and say, this can be happen. Prophecy. You see what I did? Yeah, my people. So, as me I say, I am kindly asking each and every one of you, my people, to be supportive to my Jamaican brothers and sisters. In whichever way you can support, please support them. Okay? We all appreciate every little muckle, every little make a muckle. We all appreciate it. We no matter if you want to send $1. We no matter how you have your send and you never must send your money. You have your $1, you never must send you buy a water with it or a juice with it or buy a burger with it. Understand me? So if you're a $1 you want to send it come to Jamaica to say, why you hear me? See if this can help and buy somebody a local meal. We appreciate it and we give thanks for it. Yeah, every little make a muckle. Okay? So my people, as me I say, I just want to just show no love to my people. Them. And at all time, my people want to continue to pray for Jamaica. Pray, pray, pray for Jamaica. As me say, my people, I want to continue pray for Jamaica. You see? Yeah, man. Trust me, no joke about it, because why my country, where we love so much, get this at it, but you don't know, there is nothing to stop with. Yeah, man, there is nothing to stop with, man. Jamaica and all the way. Yeah. Jamaica and all the way, man. We're going to rise, we're going to rise, we're going to rise. And we're going to continue to rise, we're going to continue to rise. That is what Jamaica is about. See? Rise, continue, rise, rise, rise. Yeah, man. That is what Jamaica all about. Rise, rise, rise. All right, Danny Gale, me see a message, but me read it to me done still. Okay, me done? Yeah, man. And get back to you, okay? Yeah, so big up yourself. You see me done? Yeah, man. Enough respect. That is it. And when people don't know, me always appreciate my viewers and my subscribers. The people who really me have a thing to say. But people know, because enough people hear me talk these things and say a joke thing me depend. But it's not a joke thing. You see this thing them call social media. You see when you open a social media account and you start the video for put out and people are watch it. And the people them who are watch the video and them are your supporter. The people them who are on a live, when I post a video, them like your video, them comments, and then give you watch hours. Those people are your supporters. I may ever tell them that say, in this business, your biggest supporters is your viewers and your subscribers. And the person who you must respect the most on this social media platform is my people them who are subscribed to my channel and who have viewed my video. If them even not subscribe but them have view, come for my thing and them watch and get on my live and them even not subscribe, them doing a lot. I appreciate all of you my people, I appreciate you my people. And I can tell you this. Big thank you from the Almighty God to you, my people, for all of your support that you're giving to me so far. I appreciate it. But enough people don't know, say them for really show respect to the people them who are subscribed and who are help build them channel. I wanna build my channel, my people. I wanna bet. We don't know if next year my channel reaching a stage where we can start collect off of my channel. To you, my good people, all of you, my good people, I go bet me start collect off of this channel through the help of you, my people. So one time I say, I not for loving my people, I have to love my people. I have to love them. If me start take a plane and I start go to the Caribbean island or anywhere others way, I show you, my people, I never go on plane yet. I'm a 60-year-old. So if I start flying, I work do it. Now, honor my people, who me for worship. Now, honor. I honor I'm a God right now. When I say my God, I don't mean me Almighty God. My God's where help me. But not the Almighty God will give me life. Easy. Easy, what I call it now, the universe. See it? Yeah, he is the universe. He is the God of all God. But uno my people, I tell no man, uno is a blessing. Yeah? So you say anybody when not help, by subscribing and watching them video and I don't appreciate uno my people, trust me, uno don't deserve to be there. Okay? Uno don't deserve to be there. Yeah man. People must be appreciative to you first of all. Yeah, man. So at all time, I have to know, say, boy, yeah. Big shout out to my people. And no, respect to the ground and walk, man. When I don't know my people, I don't know no. Physically soon enough to know no. But trust me, uno a blessing. Uno, my people, is blessing. You are all blessing. You are all blessing, okay? Trust me. And I love you, my people. Yeah, man. So, as me I say, we just look forward for say boy. Moles Mendez. Welcome. How are you doing? Yeah. Yeah, man. How are you? I'm good. I am good. I'm just there go and give thanks and praise to the Almighty God. Because I don't know. We have to do that. Things not right in Jamaica. On the western part of Jamaica. But, you know, the pain where them feel on there, we are feel it because we are Jamaican. See? So, me I feel the pain when them feel London. But they are Kingston. But people in a St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland, I am feeling your pain too. Okay? Remember that. Yeah, man. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Where are you watching from? Thank you, my friend. That's nice of you to say that. I appreciate that, okay? Yeah, man, I appreciate that. Okay, that's nice of you. And you don't know, big shout out from my beloved country, Jamaica, to you all over there in the USA, Florida especially. Big up on yourself. God bless to you all. And a special welcome to you, okay? Okay, my lady? Enough respect. You see it? Yeah, man. So, they are planning to go and do everything. You don't know. But Jamaica get touch up and look at mash up and, no, look at jag up and look at dust up and so forth. But we are going to rise again. We are going to rise again. Okay? Yeah, man. Why? Why you ask me that? Okay, no. No offense about it, still no problem. That's okay. But no, okay? Yeah, man, my people, so I do straight love to Jamaican people every time, anywhere in there, all over the world. We love you know. You see? I remember we have to always pray for Jamaica in a time like this, for the trouble that we are in, the pain that we are feeling. Remember, we need your prayers. We need your prayer at this time. Okay? Yeah, man. Money is Moise Mendez. Yeah, man. Enough respect. My WhatsApp number, my people. My WhatsApp number. Anybody want to get in contact with me? My WhatsApp number is 233-6408. I remember the Jamaica area code is 1876. So the number should be 1876-233-6408. Okay? Anybody want to get in contact with me? That's the number. Okay, my people? Yeah, man. And I don't know, as me say, me still on the verge of I get my car fixed because the engine mash up going to Santa Cruz. Trust me. Going to Santa Cruz, my engine reaching at Santa Cruz in the mud bar, them engine mash up down there, my people. But you don't know, God is God. It carry me back at town. I have to buy back an engine now. That is it. Money I go and accumulate up. All people who support me so far, God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. I mean, a food basket never run dry. At all time, we have something in the basket can support somebody that need help. Yeah, man, it's a love every time to my people, man. Yeah, man. That is it, man. Is it? Yeah. So, all of you, my people on the live, you don't know, always a welcome. Always a welcome with a lot of love. Welcome with love. That is it. You are all welcome with love. Okay? Yeah. That is it, my people. You see? But everyone, too much of the smiling, you know? Yeah. You know, you look shiny eye them. Them keep. The big up the people. Remember to subscribe to the channel, you know, my people. And like up your life. Please, I'm asking you for your support. Remember, I don't tell my people, I want the channel to monetize. You see? And your only way the channel can get monetized now is for you, my people, to give me the watch hours. The watch hours by watching the video straight from the end to the beginning. Alright? I got in the, what them call it now, the, what them call it again? Them call it again. When I have all them video, them play something in there. When I have all the video, them pack up in a playlist. You can go by the playlist and you can play the video them in a playlist and watch and give me the watch hours. I really appreciate it from you, my people. Just give me the watch hours. Really need it. And I'm asking you for it. For just get the channel monetized. And as I say, when the channel monetized, yeah, my people. You copy? We can come start visit country, island, in the Caribbean and certain country we get, you know? Yeah, so that is it. As a man, we never travel yet. Boy, here comes trouble. Here comes the danger. Yo, what I go on terror? Yeah, man, Terrifier 6, so yeah, man, I'm there, man. Good and blessed up every time, you see? Just pay love, but there, me and my people, them I enjoy yourself, you see? Yeah, man. Or over your place where they stay. Over there. Let me know who me cap. Yes, sir. Let me know who me one gap, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Big up yourself. My place solid, sir. Alright. Enough respect to you, not Terrifier. Yeah, man, every time. I word there, me not too make out where that's it. Like I say, let me know who me a gap cap. Yes, sir. Me not pick it up fully. You understand me? Yeah, man. So, big up yourself every time. I don't know, you're always welcome to the thing. That is it. You can't pay alone. We not say much of you still, you see? Yeah, but you're always welcome to the thing, madam. You see? Yeah, man. I know. I don't know if you hear the company live, if you know we're going still. Because, okay, busy working and thing, all right. That is good. Yeah, that is true, madam. Money have to make. You see? Money have to make, madam. God know. Yeah, man. I will just talk to my people while I go and tell them, say, boy, by the help of them supporting the channel and by watching the video, give me the money, the watch hours, can make my channel get monetized by next month. You understand me? By next month, my channel can get monetized. And if my channel get monetized, small island, a place where we can start, go quick and fast. Until I start travel to the big island them and start to look for my people them and heal them up and make them feel good. You see? That is it. We have some meet and greet and people, you know, meet up and so forth and yeah, that is it. Yeah man, respect for that man, terrify agape. I have to keep a thing respectable and people love and care and love what you do. You see? That's how it's set. Yeah, that is it. Put in the hard work. That's why I want my car. That's why I want my car right now terrify. Engine for go in, because right now the money I kind of jip my back. I go a country to mash up the engine, you know. I go a country after the 2 weeks ago after the storm, Wednesday, 2 weeks ago. Yeah, my engine mash up. I have to come back at town. Jacket come back at town, I come itched up. So right now, I'm an engine. I try get back up. So as soon as my engine get back up, I done. I country, I gone again, I done. Yeah, man, because I have to put in the work. I have to put in the work. Yeah, so I just 2 little ends I want to meet up to get the engine for bike and put in back. I don't know. It's expensive in Jamaica. $200,000 cost me. Everything. So I know say, you know, it's kinda heavy. So I just go and take my time and buy the assistant and the help when I get from anybody. Anybody, I really appreciate it. The copy, that is it. You see it? Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, me done. Yeah, man, that is it, me done. Yeah, man, I soon fix it, man. That is it for real, man. I soon fix it, man. I just time do it, you know. Because right now, I have bought nearly 60 grand. About 60,000 I have right now. And that, no? Yeah, it'll take time climb. You see? It'll take time climb. So, by next week, we know I'm supposed to can reach that way I can say, yeah, set it certain way, because I want to set it, man, because I have to go to country, blood. I have to go to country. Because remember, I have to continue pushing the work. Because hard work, so you get paid. The more you put in the work, the better it is. Yeah, man. One cocoa full basket. You see? One cocoa full dam. You copy? That is it, terrify. You see? Yeah, man, enough respect every time to the eye. You see? As I say, we just go and do what we can do. And I go and appreciate the people them and show them the love and the respect. Because we depend on the life from earlier, because I need a 2 hours when I do the live, you know. I need a 2 hours when I depend on the live, blood. Yeah. Yeah, man. You know, you have my WhatsApp number, Terrify. You have my WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp me if you have my WhatsApp number, you know. You're supposed to have my number, 233-6408. You get that? 233-6408. That's my WhatsApp number there, so. I want to say my WhatsApp me. You get it? I want you can link me up, my brother, man. Trust me. Going a time like now, really leave the link, you know. Yeah, man, that is it, we done. Yeah, that is it, we done. Respect, man. Yeah, man, every time, man. I remember anybody want to really support that is with WhatsApp, you can just call up on WhatsApp and get to things in. Yeah. Just like that, my people. Anybody want to support, can just link me up on the WhatsApp and we can get a link up. You see? Yeah, man. Enough respect, Terrify. Yeah, man. 100%. Big up and down. You copy? So, I just say, my people, remember, my people, do me, I beg you, no do. Continue to pray for Jamaica. Don't ease up. Continue to pray for Jamaica. You see? What's your name, man? Mendes. All right, Terrify. Yeah, man. Respect for that. All right? Yeah. Mendes on the live, say me. Alright, like Mendes not on the live then, okay. So there are people just don't know. Enough blessing, enough respect to all you my people that join the live tonight. When I say I could continue going on the live some more, I work 2 hours now, you know, my people. Tell me, go on the live some more. Can we go and entertain myself? Yeah, the people. I don't know, we are family, you know, so we just we go and get to know each other more. When it's about that, my people. See in the live some more. Can comments let me know, my people. Comments let me know. Because I can't say a 2 hours now. I got 2 hours now since live I run, so let me know if you want me to stay some more. Stay half an hour more or next hour. When I say about that, my people. No comments. Alright, Mr. Alright, Danny Dan. Alright, Danny Dan. You see? Yeah. So when I have to keep me up still on my damn because I have to ask my question to you know. And you know, Jaja know. Yeah. Keep me going to because you don't know. I have to talk still, but you don't know. Keep me going. Which is right. I mean, want some info, I can go and tell you some information what really I go on, but that is it, my people. You see? Enough love and respect every time, you see it? Yeah, man. So, all. So, Danny Gale still about, let me see, Mendes not around, Mendes leave alive already, all right? And who again? All right? Big up to everybody where they on the live, and everybody will pass through, everybody were 2,308 people. Don't know enough respect for that, enough respect. You see? Yeah, man. Only get 15 likes, but you don't know we appreciate whatsoever we get. Yeah? Yeah, if I even 10 likes or 5 likes we get, we still appreciate it. You copy? Yeah. So whatsoever the people them decide, that is it. We appreciate it with people. You see? Enough love and everything. You see? Yeah, man. As we say, have Jamaica in the heart with people. Keep on praying for my beloved island. Keep on praying for Jamaica that you all love. Keep on praying for this beautiful little island in the Caribbean. Keep on praying for the rise of Jamaica, my people. Keep on praying. And pray, my people, that Jamaica will rise and rise stronger. I'm asking if you just keep on praying, my people. Don't stop praying for Jamaica. Always remember Jamaica in your heart, my people, in your talk, in your walk, and in your shaft, my people. Just remember Jamaica. Please, I am asking you kindly. Because we are going to build back, you know. We are going to build back. No joke about it. Yeah, man. We are going to build back. I talk about that. We talk about the scammer. Artist, Buju Banton. Buju Banton now send on some things, my people. I forgot to mention this. Buju Banton send on some things. Airport. And when them go for collect the things, the man said him check one of the barrel. The barrel less than half. One of the barrel less than half. And him bust the next barrel and look. At the same thing. The man say, some stove missing. And them things. The man say, what go on? What really are go on? In a time like now when people in need and help, people there are want from them place, are scrap people by the thief or things. Come on, man. Come on, man. Those things are workless. Trust me. Them things they wicked. Trust me. Read my comments of my friend. I say, hearing different happening in awful year of scamming, security of good people, yeah. Jamaica will rise again. It is my dream that each we look after each other well. That is it, my friend. And that we want. See? We want in a time like now, we want everybody to just come and say, you hear me? Jamaica. And I just Jamaica we say. See? We want all Jamaican with the inner Jamaican right at this present moment. With the inner Jamaica for just know say boy at Jamaica them I say. See? Them not have nothing else on their mind but just Jamaica. See? Cause it don't make sense where you have that consequence here. I say one of the P, and next one I say a next P. But the government side, where I say the government P, I get more aid more than the opposition P. No. When the people them are foreign send them aid come to Jamaica, them not send if you no P. Them not send if you no P and no P and no J and no P and no P and no P. Them send them aid come for Jamaican people. So the leader them need to get them thing on them head. The leader them need to get them thing on them head. So whatsoever aid you say, people are do for Jamaica. And not true the people them love uno, the government. And we the people them love and them are help we. And uno, the government. You understand where I'm going? So when 40 country, 45 country, or even 50 country a sentence coming at Jamaica, I just through we the Jamaican people where them love so much and them cares about so much and them want to see we will survive, so them are sending aid to it. That is it, definitely. You see me? That is how it's said. So when I want to feel like say only the people them check for and I said years come at Jamaica. No, not go so. You copy that? Yeah. And next comments come in. Party purpose. Enough respect to you. Welcome to the live. How you doing? And where you watching the live from? Okay? But we know. There is no leader in Jamaica. They are the worst. I believe you because the leader right now not acting. Because the parliament will go on Tuesday to the Wednesday. Yes, to the parliament will go on. And the PM not in the parliament to hear the cries of the members of parliament for their consequences in come out of parliament. Because I want to hear the cries of the members of parliament. We are going to ball. Say them consequences need help. If no want to hear, say them they in there. Hey. Wow. So big up yourself, party purpose. You see? Yeah, man. Enough respect. As I say, special welcome to you to the live. You see? Yeah, man. None of the parish. None of the party. Okay. Well, I'm telling you this, my youth. I may I say it to you again now. May I say this still straight and plain. You see, in every country, you have to be a leader who run the country. See? And here go on now. If me, I go run for a party, we never run for no party yet. People them can't judge me and say, through the present leader we are run, him not good. Me as a leader we are seek to come take over. Me not go good neither. No, I can't do that. I don't know my intention when me have for the people them. Why me I seek for be elect, to become the people them leader. Understand me? And everybody have good planning and good intention for them country. But if we know step on nobody toe, we can't know. That is the whole thing about it. So you see me, you trust me, you put me in, but me fail you. And you have to just continually until you find the right person where we say, yes, this is where we want, long time. You copy? But What we have to do? We have to continue because somebody have to run the country. You copy me, I say? Yeah. Let me get some of them comments that we in. I send aid to Darlingston and Petersfield. Party purpose, yes. Petersfield will need the ears because Peterfield's at this present moment. Let me see if I can get back into my book. I believe Petersfield's Black Half. One of the road where you can go right now. Black Half. Let's see if I'm right. Petersfield. Yeah, this is the right one. Petersfield right there. Yeah, let me say Black Half, yeah. Yeah, man. Petersfield are one of them places. Let me say Black Half right now. Petersfield, them place a Black Half now. Them are work on it still. You copy, yeah. So, enough respect to that, my Dan. To really support your Jamaican family. So, enough respect. I appreciate that. And may God bless you and continue to bless you that your food basket never run empty. You copy that? Party purpose, big up yourself. You copy that, my Dan, yeah, man. And welcome again to the live. You see? Just show your support, my youth. You see? Support in a one way, support in the next way by subscribing to the channel and like up the video. I appreciate that also. You copy? Enough love every time. You see? What the purpose say? I am in Georgia, okay? Big shout out to you from Jamaica, to all Jamaican in Georgia. Big shout out. We love you all. Big up on yourself. You copy that, madam? Yeah, man. You all need to stop voting. It is a damn shame. Serious thing. Serious talk. Believe it, but remember, say, we have to have somebody around the country. That is it. And I'm going to tell you something. It is like you're searching you're searching for the right purpose, the right person. As I said earlier on, yeah. We have to search for the right person to really run the country. And, Jamaica got to find the right person who really love Jamaica. Like even say, back in the days, like Michael Manley. Yeah. Because up to today day, Michael Manley named as the best prime minister Jamaica ever have. Up to today day. You see? So Jamaica want a next prime minister like Michael Manley to run the country. Whether him want to be on the side, the other side there, but him just like Michael Manley. You copy? Yeah, man. Party purpose again, he should have been the best because he's a Jamaican. Basically, yeah. Our member of parliament got money before the hurricane. They got after as well. The word is consequence, not consequence. Well, no, we know the word, but you don't know when you have list tongue and you talk fast and more time the word don't really come out. And I appreciate the correction. Yeah, I appreciate the correction, madam. Enough respect for that. You copy? Yeah, man. How can you trust a crab out of a barrel? How can you trust a crab out of a barrel? Because if you throw him back to the barrel, he might come out again. That's so? So you can't trust him because he will always come out. Okay. Basically, you just can't trust a crab in a barrel. That is it. Jennifer Storage. Andrew Holness is the best. Anybody remember PJ? Yeah, man. People remember PJ, man. People remember PJ. You understand me? Yeah? People remember PJ. Oh, lady in St. Elizabeth. She did on the news. When she was on the news, I do again. I don't know where it is. The man that cut the lawn is from there. Whoa. What the lady was doing on the news again? What she was saying? She was bawling or what? I believe a lady with a ball say them want help and support. For the purpose, Kampala, Kamala Harris. Kamala Harris, not Kampala Harris. Kamala Harris. Okay, madam? Gave Andrew only 30 million US dollar. Where is it? More than that, madam. More than that, more than that, more than that. More than that. Draw for me notes. Draw for me notes. The government get 770 odd. 770,000 US already. The government get 28, 14. Come in, you. Don't tell no lie now. Don't tell no lie. Don't make no mistake neither. Come in. The government get $14.8 billion from an insurance company. See? The government again get 1 point. Come up with info. Come up information. Don't itch. Come up, people need to get information. The government get 1.8 million US dollar already. Them get again 53.2 million US dollar. I pay money around me down. Pay money. On a 30 million alone where Kamala Harris said enough money the government. That's a part of it. I'm supposed to write down that now for my book. 30 million from Kamala Harris. Yeah. You see? But enough money. Enough money. And the people them not get none yet. CIA around the country now. Andrew is their puppet. Okay? I hear that. Puppet purpose. We will build back Jamaica. And we stand strong towards that puppet purpose. Trust me. We will build back Jamaica. Saying she is sleeping outside. Okay. Okay, so she does sleep outside. Alright. With her baby. Okay. Yes, I believe me hear the news if it's true, you know. The lady says she has sleep outside with her baby. You know, and how again? St. Elizabeth, no? Alright, I investigate and find out. But although my engine not up yet still, my engine have to up because as soon as my engine fix, we'll reach them places. So I do it, yeah man. So I investigate and find out. I run back through some news and see if I can pick it up back. You see? Alright, madam. Yeah, I hear you. You want to help her build back a concrete house. Alright? I'm going to try best she get it to. Try if I can find that lady that I can help her build back her house. You see? They say, yeah, bet Donald Trump come investigate him. Oh my God. I watch a man live there. And me hear the man that say, him write to the Queen of England and tell him say, him not to trust the Prime Minister of Jamaica. The man say him write to everybody in England and tell him say, them to watch this man because this man is a dangerous man. Yo, I tell you, listen some people more time, you know. I wonder if them serious or a joke they're making. But you don't know, them man will have them things set in a way where them can't do them things because I believe he was a lawyer. I believe that man was a lawyer, you know. So them know them things in, yeah man. I told everyone too. I did too. He is a criminal. Yeah. 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 For real. So you gotta tell Donald Trump now, say, watch out for him. Watch him good crimes a criminal. Jesus Christ have mercy. The man say him send all of the Integrity Commission. All of the Integrity Commission report about the PM done in England to the Privy Council and the King and all of them people there. For them know where I go on with the PM done here. Trust me. Hey. Yeah man, I tell you boy. Me, as I said earlier, my people, want me to say it again, my people. The PM get third term. And most persons when them come in politics in Jamaica, most of them just want a third term. Most. Once them can't get the third term, it's like them feel say yes, them can resign and step out of politics. No. See? Yeah, so me feel more than less say our PM at this time, him no want to go no further. Him get 3 term, which is good. 3 term, which is good. So him to himself now, I say to himself now, a time for him step aside now and let somebody else come fight for it. Because him get to him want. Him reach him pinnacle. 3 term, which is good. Understand me? Yeah. So what happened to Jamaica at this present moment right now? So what happened to Jamaica right now, my people? If me not interested in say my country again, because I'm not really interested again, because I get to my want already. And destruction come and disaster come now. And I'm not really interested. I'm not going to put on the interest. I'm not going to put on the interest. So that I go on right now in Jamaica. No interest, not pushing out to save the life of the Jamaican people them. See, because and if the interest was putting out, the first thing the payment that do is voila a meeting at the parliament and say, watch you hear me? All 63 members of parliament, time for you to work. Get to the consequence and find out where I go. That is a good leader. That will be everybody that worship him and praise him. But for them to do them thing and for them to separate, they divide the thing like he must say, you 28, you don't get nothing for go help on the people. Any help on the people I get through the coordination of the JDF and the team when we set up for towards the coordination of the helping. But uno not get no help whatsoever. Me not go no money for go spend to no people. Because I don't want the people that we get no comfort through phone on from me. So me I say it, my people, so probably at that. Probably at that him I think I say boy him do 3 term already, him not no further go. So right now, him no matter what the people them want about him. Him no matter what the people them want about him. If them want call an election now and him vote him out, him no matter. Him get 3 terms already, that is it. And you see destruction, all the destruction we see in Jamaica, right down in the western part of Jamaica, him not no interest whatsoever to get them the up and running. So you see next 5 years from now, the election call, the party we're going to win election and come in a power or to have this headache here to fix up at Jamaica. Remember me telling you, this man is not the take on a stress here. Him a depend on it. Him not interested. This is not a film cup of coffee. And a film tea this. Him a depend on that. Him want to go relax and cock up him foot and relax and all. Him make it. Hey. Get some more comments. Yeah, that sound good, Yeah, man, that sound good. See me? We shouldn't have a third term for real. Me look into that trainer because everybody will come look at third term. Just like for instance, in American politics, everybody will come as a president. They really will come for the 1 terms. They want them 2nd terms. Every one of them want to them 2nd terms. So it's like in a Jamaican politics, everybody wants to them 3rd terms. Because right now we don't see no politician who really go for 4 terms or no 5 terms in a Jamaica. Yeah. Like how we see some country, some leader lead for 40 years. Yeah. 50 years, some leader lead the country for. You see me? We don't see them thing and them pattern in Jamaica. Jamaican leader, them just everybody come to take something and leave and make somebody else come and take something. That is how the mentality set. Alright, me come in now. Me do 3 terms. Me make some money. Me build up buy some property and make some money and set my life. Me and my family life set. Me step down, me go on one side. No leader come in now. He might look for the film 3 term now. For make when for make. See? It's when him the film 3 term and him reach the pinnacle. Him say, you hear me? That is it for me. Me gone. And next leader come in. He might look for him 3 term now. So, and that I go on to Jamaica, everybody come in and look them little thing. Everybody come and look them little thing. See? When we want somebody to just sit down and really take good care of the country and know some boy, yeah. You see, the next 50 years from now, me I run Jamaica for. The next 50 years from now, me I run Jamaica. That's what we want. You see? And we're going to put all of the facility we are putting in place for Jamaica, for rise Jamaica and build Jamaica. That is it. Yeah, man. We say Lana Bailey, your brother say the same thing. Jaja no star. Yeah, because here we go now. We have to think out of the box, you know. We have to be thinking out of the box at this time. We have to look on the movements that always say we leaders and move. The reaction of them body language. We have to look on all of them things there. It's totally different from somebody who hunger for power. The people them who hunger for power, where you see them do? Just catch the whole thing about it, my people. The people them that hungry for power at this time. Where you see them are doing at the hurricane now. And them are put out all of the effort, all of the women them are sent in a Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth. The women them are a ball for help for them people. Them people they hungry for power. So they want to help them people because they want power. Simple. Simple. But through me gain everything already. Sorry. Through me gain everything already out of power. I don't want no more power because I get what I want already. So I not kill out myself. Me alright. I don't go and kill myself. Check some response soon. No? I get to me want. Me no matter. If you don't want me step down, no, me step down and go on it. Yeah. That's how it set my people. So, right now we just need the Jamaican people then to sit down and think out of the box. We have to think out of the box because them say we are dunce now. Remember them say we are dunce. We don't have no sense. We are idiot. We fool. We can't read, we can't write. That is what them say. So you know what that mean? You know so when them talk in a parliament or them talk, them use words. Words. Them not talk for uno. Fool people when don't understand nothing at all. Them not talk for we. Them a talk for them bigger heads them. We understand the words them. We look at fool people in the ghetto, we don't know nothing about no words. We are listening for them say yes, no, forgive, forgot. But when them come with anamatatosi and ikalamakatasi and intellectual and all them big words, we don't know nothing about it. We don't know what them are say. But the one side and we are say, we say a while ago, we don't know what them say, we don't know what they mean. That's why them say we are duns. And I want to make we no brighter. I'm trying for hold on education. Only a few can step out of the barrier. Yeah? Only a few can step out of the barrier. Trust me. My people, I tell you, say, boy, right now, it's tough. It's tough. And I just pray for my brothers and sisters them for better come for them. And in the meantime, my people, remember, I am here preaching not the word of the gospel, but the word of reality. when I want to really happen in my country and things that I want to see go on. And when I know say I go happen after a couple of years from now. In all of these things, my people, I'm asking you kindly for your support also. I am asking you kindly for your support. And, you know, when we say we're asking for your support, my people, what I mean, we are look house and land from my people, or we are looking for send, earning now, all and no. In a time like now, in this stress, for my brothers and sisters that live in the diaspora and so forth, we don't mind if you can assist our country in this time of trouble. We don't really have pressure now want to really send nothing to which country. But if your heart give you and you really feel it from my country, Jamaica, if you even a dollar you have, you can send it. I appreciate it. You can help my people in Jamaica. So my people, in whichever way you can help, we appreciate it. Just help my people. If you need for help, you can just get out to me, get my WhatsApp number, and we can help my people. See? Right now, the focus is about the people that need to get help. And I say it 2 times already, my people, I say it again. If a person on the live right now, and as I am seeking for help for my people, and if you're watching me now, talking, and you do not feel me, like as we say, I deserve to get your money because you don't feel me. You don't have to send no money to me, my people. Because there are lots of people there, the person who you feel say, yes, is the right person you can send the money to, you can do it so. No hard feelings, no, nothing at all. You see? That no people work out for their mind. Who their mind take and who their mind not take, I just so. So if your mind take me, my people, say you can send your money to me for me help out a situation, I appreciate it. And I welcome you all to do that, okay? And my WhatsApp number for me to get to me is 233-6408. Anybody want to get out to me towards helping, can just get to me on the WhatsApp 233-6408. And I appreciate you all. And as I'm going to say, my people, the video, it's time for the video now to really end now, because I don't know time I come up on me now, because I got 2.5 hours. Yeah, and the time I know is soon 10:30. You see, I'm going 2.5 hours now, my people. So, the people, may God bless you all, my people, that's turned out tonight on the live. And may God bless you all, that people that really interested for really make a difference by supporting in any form of way that you want to support, even by sending goods or what's have you. We appreciate that. May God bless you, my people. And you don't know, my people, we thanks each and everybody for joining the live tonight. Each and 3,000 and add, because it's 3,300. We appreciate you all for your support. Okay? We appreciate you all for your support. And may God continue to bless you and give you good health and strength, that you can come on next night again and can spend a next hour or 2 with me talking and enjoying ourselves. You see, my brothers and sisters, you don't know enough love to know all. And as I said earlier, remember, my people, you are my people. You is the one that giving me all this energy, all these vibes, all these powers. It is because of you, my people. Because you're subscribing to my channel, because of you liking my video, because of you making a comments. You are the one that is pushing me, encouraging me, and doing all of this for me, my people. So God bless you all, my people. The whole 3,315 people we pass through for my life. God bless you all. For all the people that subscribe to my live, God bless you all. For all the people that comments on my live, God bless you all. For all the people that likes up the video, the 18 people that likes up the video, God bless you all. What else can I say? Loving you, my people. Loving you. And it's an all special welcome to you all. And we look forward for this tomorrow again, 8 o'clock, my people. Yeah. We look forward tomorrow, 8 o'clock again, my people. So, God bless you, my people. And that is it. The live at the end. So, feel like a time I run done. We're giving you people all the time that you can like up the video and you can subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. Before we finish, before we hang up. So, thank you for the support and enough love. I go to a couple seconds for who want likes can likes and who want subscribe can subscribe. Enough respect and love every time. God bless you. Now, copy. My number is 233. All right, I put it up. Yeah, that is my number, my people, yeah. Anybody can just get to me on my WhatsApp. And if any support, anything, we can just organize it from this. Okay, my people, yeah. Just WhatsApp me and we organize any little thing. Yeah, man. So God bless you, my people. Thank you for the support. God bless all of you. I wish you all the best. Have a wonderful night, a wonderful day, a wonderful afternoon, or a wonderful evening. God bless you. Depends on where you are watching the live from. Love you, respect you every time. Tomorrow night again, 8 o'clock, we shall be joining together again, my people. So just look out for it tomorrow night. Okay? Yeah, man. Yes, that is the number. Yeah, bye, everybody. Bye. Nice having you. Bye. Pray for Jamaica. Remember, have Jamaica in your prayer, my people. Remember, my people, pray for Jamaica. Can you give me 2 more likes on the video? Put the likes at 20, please. Anybody that don't like the video, can just give me 2 more likes, please. Put the likes at 20. I appreciate it very much, really and truly. Put the likes at 20, please. Bye, my people. Bye. God bless you all. Thank you for your support. Yeah, man. Bye, my people. Thank you for your support. It's a blessing to have you all. May God bless you all and continue to bless you. Enough love to you, my people. Enough love. It's a blessing to have you. Remember, tomorrow night again, 8 o'clock, we start our next live, okay? God bless you, my people. Enough love to you, my people. Remember, you is the one that pushing this for me. You is the one that motivated me. You is the one that encouraging me to do what I am doing. So God bless you, my people. And the more God bless you and good, the more strength, and the more me get courage to push. Because when God goes to the strength, my people, I want to come and push the energy towards me. Yeah, that is it. That's what I want, okay? So big up on yourself. Enough respect. You copy? Yeah, man. All that who like up the video, thank you. All that who subscribe, thank you so much. God bless you, my people. You see? Yeah, man. Yeah. I just want to say, it take time, go done. Because I don't know, I don't want to start the live and I have so much people on the live. So people just let me see, bye. I appreciate, Yeah, I appreciate to just we are end the life. So I don't want to end the life for my people. Them no, who are so precious to me. I don't want to end the life upon it. So here go on. We just want to acknowledge the life at the end, then we can end it. Okay? Yeah. Acknowledge me. So me end the life, my people. Yeah, man. So enough respect. Subscribe. And remember, I beg on the watch hours, my people. Jamaica land, 1965. Just gave me the watch hours that my channel can get monetized by next month. Please, my people, give me the watch hours. Okay? In the name of the Almighty God, may Father God guide and protect all Jamaican, all people in the Western Parish. Oh my God, I'm asking you, just bless them that they can continue to have strength. And we're asking you, please, for a speedy recovery and bless everybody on the life tonight, my God. Thank you in thy name as we pray. Amen. Thank you, my people. God bless them. Enough love. That is it. I am out now.